You've had two new world models come out. You've also raised an enormous amount of money recently, 1.2, $1.5 billion, depending on kind of how you count in tranches and so forth. My read of that following your technological progress is that people are very impressed and you have cracked self-driving. I feel like we've gotten to the point where we can say we've figured it out. Is that fair, or am I a little bit ahead of the curve here in that pronouncement?
Oh man, self-driving is, I think, not only the hardest problem, but it's going to be a continued open problem for some time. I think the key thing to realize, and despite if you live in Silicon Valley or Shanghai, despite what you see on the roads every day, self-driving in a way that economically scales the world is not solved. And I think that what we bring is an approach that has demonstrated a path to that solution, and now we're entering a integration and product deployment phase. So what we're going to see with this capital is, I mentioned, our mission is to bring intelligence to any vehicle anywhere. And so we're going to see that start to be deployed this year in supervised robotaxi trials, starting in London, Tokyo, and 10 other cities on Uber. And from next year, in consumer vehicles, we're supported by partners like Nissan, Mercedes, and Stellantis. Take Nissan, for example. Last year, they announced they're bringing us into their consumer vehicle lineup. Then earlier this year, we announced a robotaxi because what we find is automakers, they want to work with the same partner across L2, L3, and L4. It really helps speed and efficiency, and you can leverage data and integration.
And the Wave system can do different steps of the L1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ladder. So you can approach this kind of like whatever they need, you can offer.
Exactly, exactly. And then 2 weeks ago, Nissan announced that they are going to bring this technology, bring our approach to 90% of their vehicles. They build about 3 million cars a year. So this is
That's 2.7 million.
yeah, this is an enormous volume. It's like double the cars Tesla builds a year, and that's just one of our partners. And so, we're really excited about this. And this business model. I mentioned how we had a contrarian technical strategy, but this is also a contrarian business model because there's three ways to bring autonomy to market, right? You can build your own cars. That's what Tesla's doing, but then you're limited to just your own brand. You could build your own fleet city by city. That's what Waymo's doing, but it's a very expensive, high capex endeavor. Or what we're doing is we're licensing this to any fleet or automaker. And that's, I think, the largest business model. That's why we've chosen it. It's only possible because we've built a flexible and generalizable like AI driver. And so I think this is also interesting how it's enabling a different business model that might not, might not be appreciated at first thought.
When you think of middle-aged guys who remain really vibrant, virile, healthy, a couple of names come to mind, right? David Beckham and Jason Calacanis. That's right. No coincidence that both of us are drinking IM8's delicious Daily Ultimate Essentials, which has 16 different supplements all in one delicious drink. This thing's got 92 nutrient-rich ingredients, including all the vitamins, all the minerals, and adaptogens, pre, pro, and postbiotics. Since I've started drinking this, I feel more alert. I feel less fatigued in the afternoon, and hey, calms my digestion down as well. This stuff tastes great, makes you feel great, and I'm a huge fan. So start feeling like your best self every day with IM8. Go to im8health.com/twist and use the code TWIST to get a free welcome kit, 5 free travel sachets, and 10% off your order. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases.